All right. Welcome.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. It is Ollie and Daddy here, and we're back again with day 3 of our science experiments. We're still working on the penny experiment from yesterday. So right now the penny just looks like a normal penny.
Yeah.
But we're going to give it a little bit of time to see if anything happens. And so we'll actually be posting that video as like a bonus update video later. But today's experiment is actually going to be us taking a bunch of different liquids from around the house, and we're going to combine them, and we're going to see what happens.
Okay.
So the liquids that we have, we've got a big glass of water. So just plain water in here, just everyday drinking water. Got it from our fridge, little filter thing. We also have in this container, we have some vegetable oil that I tried to put red dye in, but did it mix together, bub?
No.
No, it turned out looking kind of like a lava lamp because I forgot that water and oil don't mix. Did you know that? So that red food coloring doesn't mix with the oil. So that's going to come out kind of splotchy, but maybe it'll look cool. We don't know. All right, and the next thing we have is some
green food coloring.
Yeah, but what is in there? Not water, but we used it yesterday. Starts with a V.
Baking.
Not baking soda, no.
Baking.
V.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Yeah, so we have some green dyed vinegar that we also are going to use today. All right. And then in here, we have some blue dish soap.
Yep, dish soap.
Some blue dish soap. Just plain old Dawn soap. And then we have some... What's in here?
I don't know.
You don't know what that white liquid is? Comes from a cow?
It's a milk.
Yeah, it's milk. It's 2% milk because that's what we drink in our house. And then finally, let's get that out of the shot. We have...
Chocolate.
Chocolate. So we're going to try adding the chocolate in there too and seeing what happens.
With chocolate milk.
Yeah, we're going to make chocolate who knows what. Okay. Alrighty, so we've got our container. It's just a plain old glass mason jar. So Oliver, I'm going to let you pick the order, right? Which one do you want to add to the jar first?
I want the chocolate because chocolate is my favorite.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to open up the chocolate and we're going to pour it in there. Okay?
Daddy, can you have some chocolate
on your finger? Of course. There you go, bud. Yum, yum, yum. Chocolate's good for you, but don't have too much. All right, ready to pour it? Tell me when.
Go.
Got to get a little layer on the bottom, right? Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Because we filled up
all right, so we've got a layer of chocolate on the bottom.
Yep.
What should be our next addition? The green vinegar?
Yeah, because then they will explode.
You think that it's going to explode? What do you guys think at home? Do you think it's going to explode? All right, well, let's find out.
Okay, so let's see.
Ooh, Daddy's making a mess. Uh-oh. Well, so when we make messes, we have to clean them up with paper towels. Yeah. So we'll put that under there. We should have put that under there to begin with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think it's going to explode.
Does it look like it's going to explode?
No, after we put all the ingredients.
Do you think that's enough green?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So right now, what does it look like? Is anything happening?
No.
But it looks like there's a couple of different layers, right? So at the very bottom, we still have our chocolate, and above it, we have our green vinegar. Okay. So what do we want to add next?
The blue food color.
The blue dish soap? Okay, so we're going to take the blue dish soap. You want to add this one in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this
be
is
very
easy,
careful.
Right?
Yeah. Be very, whoa, you got to get the corner.
Got it.
All right, we're adding our blue dish soap.
I want to do all of it.
All right, we added a blue dish soap.
There.
Alrighty. Wipe that off on the paper towel.
Doesn't look like there's blue.
It doesn't look like there's blue in there anywhere, does it? Oh, but if you get real close on the bottom, you can see that the blue dish soap is actually sitting under the vinegar.
So there's chocolate, vinegar.
No, chocolate and then dish soap and then vinegar. And look, we'll get the camera a little closer so they can kind of see too. See how it's kind of starting to separate? Okay. All right, let's go ahead and continue on with the next thing.
Yeah.
So we have oil, water, and milk left. What do you want to add, bub?
Milk.
The milk? Okay. I'm going to do the milk.
And never drink a science experiment.
Yeah, don't drink this. This would be really gross and like poisonous, right?
Yeah.
Could kill you and you don't want to die,
No,
right? Okay.
Don't even drink.
So, one of the things I'm worried about, bub, is I know that sometimes if you mix milk and vinegar, it'll make the milk go bad. It'll curdle. So that might be an extra reaction that we weren't really planning on. You ready to see if that happens? Okay. All right.
Oh no.
Oh no. Should I tell me when to stop?
Stop.
Oh yeah, look at it. Got all chunky in there.
Oh no.
Ew, gross.
No. It's gonna explode.
I don't know if it's going to explode, but it looks pretty nasty. Okay, what next, bub?
Water.
Ew, it made like gross stuff. All right. So you want to add water next?
Make sure you be careful, right?
Okay.
Oh, I think that's enough.
All right, there's that water. Okay.
And look at all of that milk.
Yeah, all that milk kind of got chunky, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
And now the red food.
The oil.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to be really careful with this one.
Yeah.
So here we have some oil. Don't want to spill this one.
Ew. So now what?
Okay.
So what is the next experiment?
Well, right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to actually let this sit for a little bit. And we're going to see if it kind of separates or does anything. And then we're going to come back to it.
Okay.
So what do you think is going to happen? What's your hypothesis?
I think it's like stop being that color.
You think it's going to stop being that color?
Yeah, can you stay
So right now we can already see some kind of layers, right? All right, so we're going to leave this alone for a little bit, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to see if these layers have gotten more or less clear. Do you think there's going to be more clear layers, or do you think it's all going to kind of mix together?
I think it's going to mix together.
All right, well, we're going to leave this alone, let's say for an hour, and then we'll come back and check it. Good deal?
Daddy? Hey, Daddy?
Yeah?
Can I play the goose game?
Can you play the goose game? So right now Oliver's been playing this game called Untitled Goose Game, and it's really fun, right?
Yeah, can you get me to the bell one?
I don't know. We'll see if I can get you to that bell level. All right. Do you want to say bye-bye for now?
Bye, guys, and I hope you have a good.
All right. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll be back with the next part of this video in just a second.
Hi, guys. It's back to our channel.
Hey, guys. Welcome back. So we left our experiment out for a while to see if any of the liquids settled. And so now we're going to take a look, right?
Yeah.
But before we do that, what did we just get done doing outside, Oliver?
Doing a water gun fight.
Yeah, we had a water gun fight with some Nerf guns that who bought for us? Do you remember?
Uncle Brandon.
Uncle Brandon, my good brother and next door neighbor, Uncle Brandon. He bought us some sweet water guns. And so we had a really good time out there playing, right?
Yeah.
All right, so are we ready to check out the experiment? All right, here we go. So here we go. We have our jar with all kinds of layers in it now. So let's see if Oliver remembers what the different layers are. What do you think that is on top? What was like the yellowish red stuff?
It was the...
Starts with an O?
Oil.
Yeah, it was the vegetable oil. So the vegetable oil came to the top, right? And then I think, or maybe it's water. What do you think?
I think it's the water.
I don't know. And then underneath it, we've got a layer of red. And then it goes like a reddish brown, and then into, I don't even know what color that is. It's kind of grody looking. And then it goes into a green. And then what's this funky looking layer at the bottom, bub?
Milk?
Yeah, I think those are like the milk curds from when it reacted with the vinegar. And then at the bottom, we have our chocolate syrup. I think that was like the most dense, so it stayed at the bottom. So this was a pretty cool experiment that you can do with just any kind of liquids at your house. You don't need anything fancy to do it. You can just do it with any kind of container, any kind of liquids, just to see what kind of happens.
And you can use different colors.
Yeah, you can use all kinds of colors. We just used whatever we had on hand, right, bud?
You can do blue or red or green or blue.
All right.
Or red or like black.
Yeah. All right, and just for a quick update on our penny, because we haven't forgotten about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've got our copper penny, and it was really shiny. and it has stayed pretty shiny, if you can tell. But we're going to leave it out for a couple of days because I think that something pretty surprising is going to happen.
What is it?
Well, I want it to be a surprise, so I don't want to tell you just yet, okay? All right, so we'll keep checking in on our penny over the next couple of days. Hey, don't, yeah, we're going to leave that, see if it settles a little bit over the day, but I think it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll probably dump it after this, right? We'll dispose of it properly. And you guys make sure you stay tuned to our channel for the next couple of days for our spring break experiments, right? All right, and what do we tell people to do before we sign off, Ollie?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys, and they got to make sure they what? Ring that?
Bell. Big red bell.
Yeah, ring the bell, hit the big red button. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can get money, I guess. I don't know how this stuff works. Who really cares? I don't even know who's watching these videos except for us and our friends, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so that's it for this video. We'll see you next time, probably tomorrow, with the same Ollie time on the same Ollie and Dad channel.
Yep, and welcome to Ollie and Ryan's world.
Yeah, Ollie and Ryan, because his name's Ollie and my name's Ryan. All right.
No, I mean like the real Ryan.
I'm the real Ryan,
No, I
bub.
mean like the one that shows toy review.
Oh, I think we should have to do some toy reviews too. Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. So I think maybe that'll be the next phase, right? Some toy reviews?
Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Bye, I'm just gonna play with my Duplos.
All right.